Hello, race fans, and welcome to the first ever Blaze and the Monster Machines ice sliding contest. The monster truck who slides the furthest on the ice wins. It's a cold 25 degrees today. So let's get started. Here's Joe, Blaze's #1 fan, here to cheer him on. Hey, Cheesy Champ dudes. This is gonna be totally awesome! Round 1! Hey, guys! Oh, no! I'm gonna win! I love ice sliding! Where's the mud? Oh no, I fell right on my head! Did you guys see that? Crusher wins round 1! I'm the best! Round 2! Hey, am I the furthest? Pickle did it! Pickle power! Oh no, is that Stripes coming? Oh well. Whoa, oh man! Hey, there goes Cassie, all gassed up. Whoa, oh man, mud. Can't we just find some mud? I used blazing ice speed. Stripes wins round 2. I did it! Final round, winner takes all. I know I can win. 1 and ice slide. Let's see that again. Boy. Pickle's on his hat again. La 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 la. Zerg still love ice sliding. Oh man. Aw, Pickle. Blaze wins the ice sliding contest. I did it! I'm still the best. And now some bonus ice spins. Up first is Blaze. And there's Pickle. And Crusher. I'm still the best. And here comes Zed. Hey, Pickle. And here comes Joe. Whoa, totally awesome, dudes. Radical spins. And here's Gasquatch. Whoa, oh man. Where's the mud? Hey, dudes, can I get some autographs? Oh, my aching head! No, then? Alright, well, hey, cheesy dudes, don't forget to subscribe to this awesome toy channel so you can see all the Blaze and the Monster Machines videos. And as always, be cheesy.